I've been a Thermomix advisor since July 2020. How I discovered Thermomix? It's actually through YouTube and Instagram. So I got an advisor to come down to my place. He did the demo, and true enough, I was sold. I was blown away by a simple menu A. Before Thermomix, I was doing my mini home-based business. It was really using the stove a lot. There was a lot more cleaning. But after Thermomix, ever since Thermomix came into my life, it's more cooking, less cleaning, and that's the best part. So I could spend more time thinking of my dishes, plating my dishes well, having the meal with my family while the Thermomix cleans itself. That was when everything just started from there. I got a TM6 and I decided to become an advisor because after all, everyone needs to pay the bills. So I was thinking, why not, let's just try with Thermomix since I'm already using it. And true enough, with some goal setting, I managed to earn my free Thermomix, and as an advisor until today, I have also learned to grow more confident of using the Thermomix. Sharing on Thermomix over on my socials has been really very encouraging. No matter how, no matter what, I believe that whatever I post on Thermomix, over on my Instagram, on my Facebook, it can really bring out an awareness. It can help spread the joy of Thermomix. Thermomix Trilliation is a wonderful platform for all users of Thermomix. It has helped me explore more dishes. I just feel safe sharing because everyone has the same goal: to learn more, to be more creative, to share the joy with their family and friends. So if you are a Thermomix user, I think it's time now for you to become an advisor, because I'm sure by now you know all the tricks and the hacks to using your Thermomix really well, alright? And therefore, it's time for you now to share it with all the people around you. So come, join us as an advisor. Let's keep sharing the joy.